We're here at Bronte Beach. We're having a great time with everybody. The students here are fantastic. I'm enjoying the company of everybody here. The great people, the great students, and it's a great day to actually hang out with everybody here. I want to tell everybody that on Thursday we have a PRON-COM demonstration between 1 and 3 p.m. So we're inviting everybody to join us to see how powerful the method is, how powerful the course is. It's brilliant, okay? It transforms, it changes the way you talk, all right? And I'm gonna prove it. I'm gonna prove it to everybody. So it's a free trial lesson. Just join us between 1 and 3 p.m. Join us to see what we do in the classroom. It's just transformational, really.
It is free?
It's free.
Really?
It's free. You don't pay anything. You just turn up and you sit there and you see how good it is. Right?
Really?
Yeah. All right. So that's.
You must try.
Well, I cannot say you must try, but I strongly recommend that you try. Okay. Strongly recommend that you try because you got nothing to lose. I mean, what do you got to lose? It's free. Yeah. You don't say no to anything for free. You say yes to free stuff. PRON-COM. PRON-COM forever!
I've been studying in CLA for 6 or 7 months.
Right.
Yeah, and I have improved my English skill a lot.
Good to hear that.
Yeah,
and thrilled to hear that.
Really nice student in the school.
Fantastic.
Yeah, and yeah, we talk each other. We sometimes go out and have food together.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
Very
and
beautiful.
good teacher as well in the school.
Well,
they are teaching very well.
Terrific.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, thanks, Chef. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you.
You're about a star because last time you were on our YouTube as well, and everybody heard.
Yeah, of course, I'm a star.
Yeah, you're a bit of star.
I'm a rock star.
Very nice. Can you say CLA in the same way?
Pardon?
Can you say CLA in the same way you said that now?
CLA!
Wow, you are looking cool.
Thanks. Top. Top.
You're looking cool, thanks.
I know.
Way too excited.
I know. Thanks.
All right. So, can you tell everybody where you're from?
I'm from Japan.
Okay. And how long you been here for?
I've been here for 8 months. 8 months.
8 months.
Yeah.
Right. Nice. And do you like Sydney? Don't lie. It's okay. You can be honest about it.
Okay. To be true, life in Sydney is so boring, isn't it?
By the way, for those watching us, she's just practicing because it's just one of the sentences we say in a test in the PRON-COM course. So don't be alarmed. Don't be alarmed. I think she loves Sydney, don't you?
Yes, it is.
No comment? No comment?
Sydney.
Right. Okay.
I like Sydney. Okay.
You like Sydney? I hope so. I hope so. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. What are you studying at CLA?
English.
Yeah. What course are you taking?
Now I'm taking Patrick CS pronunciation and composition class.
Who's Patrick? Is that me?
Yes.
I think it's me. Okay.
Yeah, it's here.
Okay, what? Do you like the PRON-COM course?
Yes, it's really nice and really I can be really excited.
Right.
Yes.
Right. That's fantastic. You're enjoying your time with your classmates?
I'm enjoying time with my teacher, special you, and my classmates. Yes, my classmate is very plenty because they're from a lot of countries in the world, like Japan, Indonesia, Vietnam, Thailand.
Okay.
Yes, and Mongolia.
And Mongolia, yeah. Many
Yes.
nationalities. Can you tell us about a word that you couldn't say before, but you can say easily now?
I think that's successful. That's wrong direction. And when we say the right thing, that means successful.
Wow.
Yes, that's it.
Congratulations, buddy.
Yes.
Congratulations. I understand it's your last week. We're gonna miss you so much. All right. What would you like to say? You gonna say a word to everybody? That being your last week and everything.
I want to say thank you very much for class. Thank you every teacher for teach me.
Oh,
And
very nice of you.
Thank you for everyone, my friend, my class room. I love Canterbury.
Well, Canterbury loves you back.
Thank you.
CLA